Hi guys, my name is João from Next Elements and I'm here to show to you how to install the new X.COM3 and X.COM3 Pro on the X.Tr. So to install the X.COM we start by removing the cover and then we place the battery here and then place the cover again. Like this. You place both cables here, here. Once the battery is in place, you can remove this cover and place the intercom module. Just need to hear the click and adjust the cables into the cable management system. Be aware that to place the speakers you find extra padding inside the box. You can use it to make sure the speaker is very near to your ear. To place the speakers we will use the default padding. We just place it like this and use the cable management system to make sure it is well placed like this. Then place the microphone and place the antenna. On the other side we start by managing the module cable like this, and then we place the speaker like this. Place the antenna. So after everything is installed, you can check the cables like this. Here we do like this. Place the antennas, the microphone, the second antenna, and we place all of them through the cable management system. And this is how you install the X.COM3 or X.COM3 Pro on the new X.Tr. Thanks for watching this video. We have many more videos like this on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to check them out. Have a nice ride.